How does helium balloons work? Firstly, what is helium? Helium is a chemical element. Helium's atomic number is 2. How does helium balloons work? Helium balloons float due to the law of buoyancy. Helium is a gas at room temperature and has fewer electrons, protons and neutrons than air. This makes helium lighter than air. Because helium is a lot lighter than air, when a helium balloon is released into the air, it will rise above the heavier air around it and float away. There are 3 types of buoyancy. 1. Negative buoyancy. 2. Neutral buoyancy. 3. Positive buoyancy. 1. Negative buoyancy. Negative buoyancy is when the immersed object is heavier than the fluid it is placed in. This causes the object to sinking. 2. Neutral buoyancy. Neutral buoyancy is when the weight of an immersed object is equal to the fluid it is in. For example, neutral buoyancy allows scuba diver to neither sink or float, but instead remain suspended in the water at the same depth level. 3. Positive buoyancy. Positive buoyancy is when the immersed object is lighter than the fluid it is placed in, causing the object to float. Helium balloons being released into the air is an example of positive buoyancy force in action. Did you know? Helium weighs 0.1785 grams per liter. Why does helium also make your voice higher pitched when inhaled? As helium is lighter than air, when it is inhaled, it goes through to your voice box faster. As helium goes through your voice box faster, each voice wave stretches out. The stretched out waves make your tone higher, creating that cute high-pitched sound. So what have you learned? Let's try a quiz. What type of buoyancy are helium balloons? A. Negative. B. Positive. C. Neutral. The answer is B. Positive. Helium balloons floating into the air is an example of positive buoyancy. See you on next video.